me how I feel, I tell you that I'm fine. And though my words are real, I haven't said what's really on my mind. Suddenly I am at a loss. My heart has no recourse. My sensibility's lost in the cause. And yet my love for you remains underneath the melancholy rain, where you'll find a love growing inside my heart. Though we are worlds apart, what will ever start the melancholy rain on my heart? The time when we first met, I knew I needed you. You harbored such regret. To dry your tears was all that I could do. And every time I tried to say the hurt